What is up, guys? Jeremy here and welcome back to another video. So yesterday I showed you guys how to install Sileo on the iOS 12 unc0ver Jailbreak. So for those of you that are into Sileo, this is a really cool trick. But for those of you that were doing it just to experiment and now you don't want Sileo anymore, I'm going to show you guys how to remove it. So one thing that's a little bit annoying after you install Sileo is within Cydia, you will get error codes when it tries to refresh the sources. I'll show you guys what it looks like. There it is right there. And it's very annoying. I tried using Cydia today. I tried to update some packages. And if we do modify and do upgrade, let's do confirm. Okay, for some reason this one is working, but I've noticed that some of the other packages there it goes. Yeah, it did not work because of the error codes because of Sileo. So like I said, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of Sileo and get Cydia back to normal so you don't have to deal with that anymore. So the way we're going to do it is by mTerminal, again, the terminal application. If you guys need to see how to get that, I did cover that in yesterday's video on how to get Sileo. So if you need to see how to get it, be sure to check out that video. But anyways, all we're going to do is launch mTerminal, and it's going to be basically the same process as yesterday, except for the command we're going to execute is a little different. So again, su, click on return. Your default password is going to be alpine. I'll leave all of these commands down in the description. Click on return, and then you will see that you get root access to your device. And now all you have to type in is removesileo. So kind of different from yesterday. Yesterday's command was install Sileo. This is removesileo. So we're going to go ahead and click on return, and you guys are going to see that it's going to go through the process of removing Sileo. So I'll give it a minute here to finish up the process, and I'll be back once it's done. All right, it has finished. You know it finished once you see your device name there at the bottom showing var mobile and then root again, and it allows you to put a command in again. That's how you're going to know that it's done. So once it's done that, we can go ahead and exit out of mTerminal. The next thing you're going to want to do is go into Cydia, and we'll back out. And I know it's right down here. You're going to want to go into the Sileo beta unc0ver, the package which I showed you guys to install in the install video, and we're going to go ahead and click on remove. So we're going to want to remove the Sileo application. So it says depackage locked. Let's go ahead and let's try this. Let's try a Sileo for unc0ver. So that was a different package. So we'll click on modify. So it is Sileo for unc0ver. That was not the correct package. Go ahead and click on remove on the Sileo for unc0ver. Click on confirm. And this is going to remove the application off your device. All right, now that it's done, we can just click on return to Cydia. So the next thing you can do is exit out of Cydia, and as you can see, the Sileo application is no longer there. But you will notice that when you open up Cydia, you're still going to get those errors. And the way to get around this, I'll just give it a second to load just to demonstrate the errors. Okay, well, it seems that it actually doesn't have the errors anymore. Earlier, I tested this out, and I actually had to do a reboot. So I had to disable the jailbreak and then re-jailbreak for the changes to take effect. So as of right now, I have no errors, and it allowed me to update a package and restart my Springboard. But if you guys are still having issues, like I said, what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and actually we'll do it with a tweak. We'll just do a reboot on my device here. So we'll click on reboot and reboot again. So we'll disable the jailbreak here. We'll let my device reboot, and then once it boots back up, I'm going to go ahead and re-enable the jailbreak, and all of Sileo should be removed, and Cydia will be back to normal. And like I said, it's just a cool way to try out Sileo, like I showed you guys in yesterday's video. But like I said, for those of you that just don't want it anymore, this is the method in which you are going to remove it off of your device completely. So now that we are booted back up, I'm just going to go ahead and go in and re-jailbreak my device. So hopefully the jailbreak works first try for you guys. Surprisingly, unc0ver has been incredibly reliable and works almost, I would say, 90% of the time. Every once in a while it will crash while trying the jailbreak, but for the most part it's a really good jailbreak and works most of the time. So seems to be working, so we should be good to go. And like I said, guys, I will leave those commands down in the description for those of you that do want to remove Sileo like I just showed you. The commands are there for those of you that want to install Sileo and try it out. I'll leave the video link for that as well. So just keep in mind there is a way to install it. There is a way to remove it. As you can see, we are back to the jailbroken state here. Let's go ahead and let's launch Cydia. Let's make sure all of our sources load up, no problem. Let's refresh them just to verify. And the sources refreshed, no errors, and I can go back through and start using Cydia again. But anyways, I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.